What's going on, y'all? You already know it's your boy Debo. We out here about to fuck shit up. You know, it's another day, another vlog. You dig? Nah, but anyways, I'm getting ready to go to the shit. Where am I getting ready to go? I'm getting ready to go pick up my homie Donut Dan. Go to the studio. Big Kyle's downstairs. I need to change real quick before we go. But other than that, we going to the studio. You said what?
I said, what up? I'm tired. So, I'm tired, nigga.
Damn.
I'm not gonna be 100.
To be honest, look how juicy my lips are. Oh!
You know what's happening, player. You know it's DGOD right here. Bitch, I need donuts before I go nuts. Put them in a bag. I'm about my riches coming from a rag. You know what I'm saying?
Shit. So yeah, we're heading to go pick up Spooks. Got motherfucking D God in the back.
Oh, we rocking in, you know?
Got BK in the passenger seat.
Y'all like marijuana?
Y'all like oh shit, we can't talk about that. No! Alright, man, so we about to I just got here to pick up Spooks. I'm about to go to the studio. Speaking of him, the man is here. My bad.
Hey, it's poppin' out. You know what I'm saying? The young French kid, young SWAT kid, you know what I mean? Got the ANC on deck, baby, you know. Little baby.
Yeah, nigga. So we about to go to the studio. Homie's recording right now, but we gonna squeeze some session time for him. Yeah. What you been up to?
Shit, fucking smoking. Oh, we gotta go that way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's one thing for sure. Yeah, we here. Oh shit, can't show that.
You know how much this is? I'm gonna eat this pussy that shit. Why would I ever be me? What the fuck with you, bitch? Why you wanna eat my sister?
Chilling in the studio, kicking back with my bros, and he put something up in his mouth, and I can't show it. Oh, pizza is on the way. The pizza is here. Knows that the pizza ain't here. He checking to see if it's near, but it ain't here. Yeah, you know, bro be hungry. Yeah, he paying for 2 pizzas all with his fucking money.
No, I put it in a 20.
Whoa.
I put it in a 20.
Whoa.
So you know when that pizza here, my stomach gets on me.
Talking about food. I don't even know about you. And I'm getting about 2 slices and it's gonna make me feel go ooh.
Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
You gotta open this cow. Oh shit. He already hungry right away. Oh shit. Dang. Damn. Y'all fat.
So scrumpy.
It was what?
Makes me cry. That's how good the food was.
Yeah. I know you guys can't see. Put your camera on me. Yeah, I'm packing. All the bitches left feet. Yeah, motherfucker on the vlog. Next, subscribe. Yeah. I just want 5 likes on this video, little bitch. Yeah, you know you little horse. Ooh. I know you really want some more. Ooh. I'm dabbing off on your bitch. Ooh. Scoop my bitch. Dance. What? so it's currently 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna get ready to go to bed and then wake up and continue the vlog, so stay tuned. Your car's too loud. Your car's too loud. What? Shut your. You're about to hit this car. What the fuck are you doing? You know how to drive?
Hit this fucking car.
I got this shit on camera. I got it on camera. Bro, this motherfucker was about to crash. What the fuck? Man, this motherfucker doesn't even know how to park. Look at the lines. Look at him. His back tires over the line.
I don't fucking care. Get the fuck out of my dick.
Look how salty he is. Get the fuck out of my car. Oh shit.
See, hey man, I was like, oh, you gonna hit me? This, don't film me.
No, you're on the vlog.
Yeah.
The life of Debo, baby. Tell him about the life of Debo. Tell him how extraordinary it is. Tell him how fantastic it is. My life.
Smoke a bleach.
Oh, I can't throw that. I'm trying to get YouTube money. Sheesh. I'm a cue a montage right about now.
Posted in the trenches, yeah, that's where I'm flexing. Feeling what I'm repping, ooh, many killed it. Maddox in the building, about to break the ceiling. I don't think you feel me, and my too overwhelming.
Shit. You already know how to go get some motherfucking boarding brew. Man, look at this. Hey, hold up. Focus. Alright, y'all wanna bite? Y'all wanna bite? Alright, here. Hold on. That's better. Y'all didn't take a big of a bite like last time, you know what I'm saying? Respectful. I appreciate that. Alright, so it is 10:30 at night. I was gonna go to a bonfire, but when I was getting ready to go, I got information that I got rolled. So yeah, that kind of canceled all my plans for tonight. But yeah, so now I'm going to the park, about to go ball with some homies for a little bit, see what happens. Oh yeah. Ooh, you probably can't see me, but I'm pulling up. Why aren't the lights on?
Are you vlogging like a little bitch?
Yeah, nigga. Why aren't the lights on? They told me to bring my light.
It doesn't work like that. Keep clicking it though.
Should have told me to bring my light.
Ah, shit.
I agree. You probably, pretty sure you suck at basketball.
Oh, you stupid. I don't know why you have that basketball shirt.
Oh. She said it's closed.
What's closed?
The park.
The park's closed?
Thank you.
Wait, the park's closed?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, the basketball court's closed at 10 o'clock.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh.
And open your mouth.
Right there. This was at Jack in the Box. Like the whole thing. Yeah. And so, I just saw this. And so Darren's like,
I say, oh no,
y'all cool
no.
now? Huh?
Yeah, cause like he knows not to mess with me. I'm daddy. Isaiah, if you ever watch my vlog, You already know I'm daddy.
It's a whole new way. Sorry, nigga, you too late. And your career was just a phase.
Yeah.
I got the swag that they want on the low. I don't even gotta stop because they know. Can you pick it out my face, you little hoe? And if not like Ludacris, I'm throwing balls. I would